Breaking news coming in. Health Minister Harsh Vardhan has denied backing a ban on sex education. The Union Health Minister, in fact, now has issued a statement saying the views expressed were made in the context of the UPA government's 2007 plan. That's the explanation coming in from Dr. Harsh Vardhan. He's also said that the UPA's plans were later modified after widespread protests. Dr. Harsh Vardhan even saying that even UPA ruled states had objected to that original plan. So some sort of a defense and a clarification really coming into the ongoing controversy. I believe we can go across to Meenakshi Upreti, who's joining us with more details on this. Meenakshi, just put this in perspective for us. The Union Health Minister facing a lot of flack, not just for this, but also for that recent comment on the use of condoms and fidelity.
Well, absolutely, Arunade. We do know that the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, he has been facing a lot of flack for these controversial comments which have been coming from his side. This time, a comment saying that sex education should be banned from school curriculum, which was uploaded on his personal blog. And also, obviously, that statement which you mentioned, where he had endorsed fidelity over use of condoms to prevent HIV/AIDS. Right now, we know that an explanation has come from Dr. Harsh Vardhan's side. This is an official release which has come from the ministry. If I could read line or two for you from there, in the clarification, he says that this view is entirely his own. This is not a view which his party endorses. And in his defense, he says that this view has been made in context of the UPA government's 2007 decision to introduce the adolescent education program. He goes on to defend himself, saying that this program was opposed by many of the UPA chief ministers as well. Towards the end, he says that vulgarity is not something acceptable in sex education, whereas just educating adolescent children is something which he endorses. But clearly this doesn't seem to be satisfying activists. Clearly, this activists, I think, are likely to criticize Dr. Harsh Vardhan over his statements. Despite this clarification coming in, activists had been criticizing him for making statements which they call are regressive. We had also been speaking to various educationalists and professors who had slammed Dr. Harsh Vardhan for these type of statements. I don't think that despite this clarification, those activists are going to be satisfied.
All right, Meenakshi Upreti, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for the moment.